Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
The complaint was filed by a group of citizens, I suppose. I mean, I don't remember exactly who has filed this complaint, but one complaint that has come has been sent to the district election officer, since it concerns
Chief Electoral Officer Jong Sarkar Jila Uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor Ulapha Yaku Ujor Shaka Deputy Commissioner Jongka East Khasi Hills District Yakabala Mudai Pershayo Menteri ka Sarkar Jila Uba Dasakhiatbha Lamare Halor ka Jinkano Baula Sam Pisa Shaki Paidbah Nongkrem Jongka Nongkrem constituency Naka Bentaban Pinstam Pershaya U Wala Umpat Pinjari Satya Yaka Model Code of Conduct Hakaniga Jila Haka jingikran bat kilat pathai khobor Chief Electoral Officer Ulaitu bayakane ka Ujor la mudui da kinong song jongka snong Nongkrem bat yaka jingpichitom on sa Shimrai da ka Deputy Commissioner.
I have taken cognizance of that complaint, but right now the Model Code of Conduct has not been enforced. So that complaint has been forwarded to the District Election Officer, to the Deputy Commissioner, not as a District Election Officer, but to the Deputy Commissioner. And Deputy Commissioner will in turn, take action in it as per the prevailing rules, not exactly under election rules, because the Model Code of Conduct has not yet been enforced yet. Once the Model Code of Conduct kicks in, then of course the rules of the election laws and the MCC will be in operation. So as of now, the District Election Officer will be taking cognizance of it as per the prevailing rules, as per the prevailing laws. The complaint was filed by a group of citizens, I suppose. I mean, I don't remember exactly who has filed this complaint, but one complaint that has come has been sent to the district election officer, since it concerns East Khasi Hills district. As I said, it falls under there's no Model Code of Conduct. So right now it'll fall under the IPC. I mean, it's it falls under IPC and the prevailing laws of the land. A copy of that order, and we are yet to get clear instructions on the matter. So as soon as we get clear instructions and clear-cut instructions, then we'll be able to take stock of it and also take necessary steps. So the case, I just remember that it was a complaint, but I don't remember the exact facts, because that has been endorsed to the Deputy Commissioner, and Deputy Commissioner is taking necessary action on the matter.